Alright guys, so the concrete guys left. We got the concrete pad behind us. It's gonna be a 20 by 20. Let me show you guys. So we got a lot of dirt that they left behind. So that's gonna be like the driveway area. I'm gonna put the camera so you guys can see it. So we're gonna run the driveway all the way down to the pad. This is where the 20 by 20 pad is gonna be at, right here. So they're gonna come back tomorrow and pour the concrete 4 inches. So they did a really good job. So of course my trailer is buried in dirt. They pulled out some roots and stumps. They moved a bunch of dirt everywhere, unfortunately. Kind of sucks. But they did a really good job, so I can't complain. So there's all my gravel. So yeah, and like a can of Pepsi, some roots. So yeah, all my gravel buried underneath all the dirt. So here's my 20 by 20 pad coming to you guys soon. They're poured tomorrow. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna keep you guys updated as much as I can. This has been the Welding Machine. There goes the concrete truck, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully they can get it in the yard. There it goes. What's up everybody? So we're back guys. The guys done their job and did the concrete great. Here's the pad, here's the 20 by 20, but we're not done yet. It's got to dry. They did a great job. They did a great job. The water's gonna run off to the side over here. Let me turn you around. So yeah, the water's gonna run off this side and off on that side. Here's a 20 by 20, it's about the same size as the building. So we extended it out, but now we're not done yet. So we got 40 foot from here to the back of the building. We're gonna go out 10 foot and go 40 foot that way. And over here, we're probably gonna go out, honestly, we're gonna probably go all the way out to that tree in concrete, from the tree to the building, and 40 foot back. So of course it's going to be a different kind of building. I don't know how I'm going to go about it yet. Whether I'm going to get my engineers to design a building, I'm going to build it all in my 20 by 20 shop. But it's going to be a 40 foot building on this side and probably 30 foot wide concrete span. I'm going to get with my engineers, see what we got to do to make it work. I know I'm not finished with the roof yet of the building, but I'm getting everything prepared for when I do. So y'all stay tuned and take the journey with me. And it ain't over, and we gotta get the truck situated, which shouldn't be a big problem. Y'all stay tuned. It's been the Welding Machine. How do you afford all this metal, concrete, and keep getting and growing your business, and you're not doing any welding work? Well guys, this is how I do it. The thing that I do is I do not pay myself for my business. I let my business pay everything and reinvest it into my business. That's why I'm able to get this concrete right here. That's why I'm able to get the building. I mean, I'm almost done with it, so give me some time. The building, the concrete, it's all paid for by my business. So I don't put no personal money into anything. It's all stuff that I've made from when I was doing side jobs and hustles. I save my money. Don't spend it. I mean, I only buy essential things. For certain jobs, I'll buy and I'll incorporate that in the cost of doing the job. For buying a tool, if I need the tool. So you guys gotta make sure you know how to price everything. So that's what I did for my business. So like if I needed a special tool, I include that into the price, get the special tool, and I got a tool for other things. So that's one thing you guys gotta take into account. But yeah, so let me show you guys something cool, something else if you guys want to know. So right here we got, it's 40 foot to the back of the building from here to the front. So we're gonna put a whole nother building right up in here. It's gonna be a 40 by 40. I gotta talk to my guys about it, and this 40 foot's probably gonna come all the way, probably all the way to about right here from there. So yeah, but of course, first what we're gonna do is gonna get this building done and talk to my engineers, figure out where I gotta put these posts at, and I'll probably make it 2 separate buildings instead of joining them together. I would like to join them together, but I just might make it 2 separate buildings, a 40 footer and a 20 footer. And then the 20 footer is gonna have an overhang that hangs over. So yeah, that's the plan, guys. We're gonna have a 20 footer and then a 40 footer right in the backyard. And we're gonna have to make it special as far as like driveway wise. Try to figure some things out. I probably should have done a 40 footer in the beginning, but I wasn't thinking about it. But now I kind of like, dang, I should have done that. So, but it's all good. Everything's working out for the best. So we're gonna do it. Y'all stay tuned. It's been a Welding Machine. You guys have a great day.